So this project, where do I begin? We didn't do this one. It was done by someone else. I'm kind of beating around the bush here because there's a few things that, you know, you should or shouldn't do, I guess, technically. Like for us, I personally wouldn't spray the black moldings. This is a project that is rushed. Not enough coats, not very even. This is this is bad, guys. This is bad. I'm gonna have to pressure wash most of this stuff off. That should be black. That should be black. So we're gonna do a lot to this vehicle. Like a lot to this. Step one is to remove all this. I'm gonna try and get it off in sheets. It looks like majority area here is done, is good peelability, but it's the edges that are the tough part. They're peeling very small. This isn't typical. This only happens when I'd say maybe there's 2 gallons of black on this and there's 2 gallons worth of pearl on this, and then some sort of like top coat finish over that, which doesn't add towards peelability. So maybe there's 4 gallons on this car. This is a 6-gallon car, roof or not, 6 gallons. 6 gallons for sure. I mean, look how long, like, it's a lot of surface area. Yeah, you're not spraying the top because it's glass and black, which needs to be cleaned, but yeah. We are gonna black out her trim as well, and then we're gonna take these off, get these black. Yeah, I mean, we got our work cut out for us. This isn't gonna be a quick flip. This isn't gonna be easy money. This is gonna be hard work, great end results when all is done. So I am excited in a weird way for this one. I'm not excited to peel this. I know I'll need to use the pressure washer. Let's get to work, guys. So I'm not going to talk about too much of how the car looks, why it looks like the way that it did. I've been there, not to that extent, but I've been there. I've cut some corners here and there. Maybe a car needed 5 gallons and I did 4 or 4.5. You know, maybe I didn't use all of the 5 gallons, but I didn't do the roof. Like, it was justified. Or maybe there was a mistake that I wasn't able to fix, and I was able to communicate effectively with the customer and let them know, hey, we can either repair this at a later date, or I could take some off the top of the price, whatever the circumstance is. I'm beating around the bush here, but take pride in what you do. If you don't, let's go find something else. I don't know. So let's talk about the project at hand. I still got about, I don't know, I got a little bit on the hood that I got to take off. I tried pressure washing. The next step is using a solvent-based product. That could be xylene, that could be naphtha, that could be mineral spirits, whatever the case may be. I like xylene. It's all right. I don't know. It just does its thing rather quickly. So I'll grab a microfiber towel. I'll pour a little bit of xylene on top of it. I'll let it sit for a minute or two, and then I'll just wipe it away. So also, we got to clean up some of the edges along the vehicle. Those definitely need to be cleaned up and wiped down. So my goal is to make the vehicle 100% as if it were never coated in the first place, and then start all over. I am planning to use my airless spray system, my Wagner Pro 130. I love this thing, man. I'm gonna use this to spray the black base. I'll probably do 4 or 5 gallons of the black base. Is it excessive? Yeah. At least I know my chrome trim is gonna be set and I can put tape over it and stuff like that. So I'll probably mask today and maybe spray 4 or 5 gallons of black base down today. So that way tomorrow when we come in, we can put our tape over the chrome, now it's black, and then spray the pearl over that, let that sit for a couple hours, and then we're clear coat it, let that sit for a couple hours. Hopefully we won't have to flow coat it, but I'm okay if we do. My goal, obviously, every time is to do less work and to do better than what I did the previous project. I'm always learning. Like, painting is a process. It really is. It's not just like this one time, home run, you've got every job is perfect. I wish that were the case, but it ain't. Yeah, I know I changed cameras for dramatic effect, but you get it. Like, painting is a process. And you have to have patience. 2 P's. Painting is a process and painting is patience. Yeah, you gotta have like an understanding that yes, some circumstances, the issue you just can't control. I get it, I do. Sometimes it's not your fault. Most of the time, the number one issues for me personally is me not cleaning my gun. Painting is patience. A little bit about this color though. I have never sprayed this color ever, never full scale. And it is my number one favorite color when it comes to color shift, mega shift effect. It is my number one favorite. It is simple to spray, great color coverage, great colors at that, and it's gonna look freaking beautiful when gloss is sprayed over it. So of course we're using a spherical base, and then we're gonna use spherical clear coat over that. And it's gonna be beautiful, beautiful. I cannot wait. This is gonna be a crazy transformation. I mean, obviously from before till now to when it's complete, but this is gonna look really, really nice. I'm excited to have this one on the road. Like that is cool. And I've already asked the customer, hey, heads up, like this is gonna be really nice. You have a nice Mercedes, it's a really nice color with a really nice gloss, like everything's really nice. Do you mind? Let's keep in touch and let's set up like a photo shoot. We got drones, we got cameras, we got driving, like it'll be like a full-on thing. And she's all bored, she's cool. So she's like, yeah, let's do it. So let's just get to work. It's 10 o'clock now, so I gotta clean up. Yeah, you already know. Let's just do it. Come on. Definitely going to be using the Wagner Pro airless spray system on this one. Probably got like 4 or 5 gallons of black that I'm going to spray. Hopefully it'll take me, I don't know, an hour, maybe 2. There is a hurricane going on right outside. Not a hurricane, it's a tropical storm now, Ian, but that's what that is. So I got to keep the door propped open, of course, for airflow. I'll be wearing a mask and stuff like that. So, but yeah. Today's goal is to spray the whole thing black. I do have the wheels that I got to do. They're over there. I took them off. She wants the calipers done as well. So I got to do the wheels. I'll do those after the project. I mean, I guess technically I could do them now as I'm spraying the car, but I don't have like, I don't know. This is the, I guess here. I could roll like paper down and spray. It's okay. I'll just do them later. I will. I got a few other areas I got to touch up and clean up and get ready, but after that we are ready to spray. All right, we are done with the black base. We let it sit overnight before we added any tape onto it. I wanted, obviously the customer wants, you know, the chrome accents gloss black, so we let that sit, and then we use some delicate surface tape here, and then just as a safety precaution, I added blue tape over it. I just don't know if, I mean, I've used this tape before in the past and I really like it. I just don't know if the solvents will bleed through underneath and then the glue will be left behind. So I don't want to chance it. So I've probably done this 3 or 4 different times. I've always added the 3M blue Scotch tape over it just to be safe. You never know. This is going to be pretty cool though. So this will be pearl, this will be pearl, this will be pearl. Oops. Stuff like that. You'll notice that the hood has like see that, like a cheetah print? That's because I was spraying during a hurricane while it was raining, and I sprayed the hood crazy wet. It will not affect the end color, so it's fine. I'm not too worried about it. If it was the final color, I would wait till, you know, daylight and then spray the final color over it, but it's fine. So, yeah. Let's go. All right, next morning. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. That is, and then the sparkle right here. Look at that. That is, I do need to flow coat this. Of course, last night I opened it up and a ton of wind gets brushed in and some dirt and trash on the hood. I mean, that's the downfall of not having a booth, but it's all right. We're gonna sand it with, I did a little bit here. I'm gonna sand it with 1000 grit, clean it off, dry it, whatever, and then apply another final coat of clear coat over this. My favorite part, check this out. Right there. When the sun was, you know, all on this, the whole thing was like that nice orange. Okay. Trim's looking good. I like this. This came out really nice. All the black accents. Last minute decision. We did these and we did these. I like that. It's a nice little added touch. It's not too much black. It's not too much color shift. A good accent. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Guys, sorry. That orange color I am obsessed with. I mean, the blue and purple we always see, right? I mean, that's pretty standard. That looks fine. But that right there, oh, that alone is so beautiful. All right, let's get to sanding. I had goosebumps, and the guy pulled out his stack of cash. Actually, I think I still have it. He pulled out, let's hide the dollar, and $5. All right, I'm going somewhere with this. All right, ew, that was weird. But I'm happy with this. Ooh, a little raspy on that one. Happy.